I'd like to make another video to shout out instasmile. Pretty standard nowadays for me. Unfortunately, my bottom set of veneers that I bought have broken. As you can see here, it's my bottom one. And here as well. So I decided to message instasmile on Instagram. So I sent them the pictures, I explained, and Eve, the worker who replied to me, gave me the email to email these photos through to the technicians. Thank you, Eve, for that. So I emailed this email, basically saying the same thing, right? Now, I messaged the instasmile Instagram on Friday, and then on Sunday I emailed the email, because I'm a mum, I'm quite busy, and I'm not gonna lie, I forgot. So on Sunday I sent the email. Obviously I got standard automated reply, you know, wait 3 working days and we'll get back to you, which was fine, you know. I did email on a Sunday as well, so I got a reply from a person yesterday. Literally yesterday I got a reply from them asking which arch was the one that was damaged, and it's covered by my warranty, so I don't have to pay for a replacement. And once I'd figured out what arch meant, because I didn't know, it literally means top or bottom, I got another email saying that they're now being manufactured, my replacement. Well, you know, starting the process for manufacturing, but I had to wait 15 days for that and, you know, get updates and all that. But that was how easy it was for me to, I wasn't even complaining, you know, I just wanted a little bit of help, what can I do? And they literally replied the next day. That was how easy it was, and now I'm getting replacements. I just took my eyeliner off. That's how amazing this customer service is. Like 5 stars. 5-star customer service.